Alright, I'm out here at Vine Street number 2 in Decatur, Alabama. As you can see, this crossing is malfunctioning. It seems A80 accidentally shoved that tank car right over there a bit too close to the crossing, so it's causing it to go off. I've already called it in. Norfolk Southern is aware of it. So yeah, this gateless signal is going off as always. This signal right here, it has two pairs of safe train 12 by 20 inch lights with Leotech EV series LEDs, as you can probably see up there. You might be able to see it says safe train back there. Emergency information on the mast. And also, of course, safe train base. And you can't really see it because it's kind of dark, but there is a safe train type 3 electronic bell up there. Maybe if I get over here you'll be able to see it a bit better. Yeah, there's the safe train type 3 up there. Here's the rear lights. And of course, emergency information on the keep right sign here. As you can see right there's the emergency information. Currently waiting on 284th of Ferromex trailing. So right now let's just hop over to this other signal here. All the lights on this signal are safe train 12 by 20s. This is a safe train cantilever. All the lights on this signal are safe train 12 by 20s with Leotech EV series LEDs, with the exception of the rear overhead lights here, which have a pair of GE uniform look LEDs in them, as you can see up there. And of course there's another safe train type 3 electronic bell on top of this signal. You can see safe train, kind of see it's safe train cantilever. Don't know how well you can, but here's a look at the back of one of the lights. You can see it says safe train up there. But yeah, just thought I'd show this crossing malfunctioning. I think it's been a little while since I caught it malfunctioning. Feels like this is the crossing I catch malfunctioning the most, but then again, the track circuit here, it seems, is just an island circuit, so it's not going to time out if something gets too close to it. But yeah, here we have Vine Street Road crossing number 2 in Decatur, Alabama, malfunctioning at, what time is it? It is 8:24 in the evening on Monday, November 27th, 2023. Over and out.